What is the security deposit for? The security deposit protects salvagereseller.com should you fail to pay for the vehicle you purchased, as we are responsible for ensuring payment of awarded vehicles to Copart. How much do I need to put in security deposit? The deposit must be a minimum of $400, or 10% of the bid amount, whichever is higher, as the amount of your security deposit limits the amount of your bid. Is the security deposit refundable? Yes, the deposit is 100% refundable if you do not purchase a vehicle, or if you request it upon meeting all payment terms. You forfeit your security deposits if you are awarded a vehicle and do not meet all payment terms and conditions. When and how do I request a security deposit refund? You can request a refund of your deposit via phone or email, once any vehicles won are paid for and removed from the yard, and if you have no active bids or balances due. The refund will be issued in the same form of payment used. Refunds of deposits over 90 days are subject to additional fees. International buyers will get their refund via wire transfer. Will my security deposit be applied to my purchase? Only if you send your security deposit via Zelle, the deposit can be used to pay for vehicles. If you use any other payment method, it cannot be used to pay for your vehicle. The security deposit must be paid in full before being able to bid. And unless you used Zelle, it must remain on fund at all times, until all payment terms are met. For more information, visit our Terms and Conditions page. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.